Congratulations, your limit $20,000. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button as well as smash the subscribe button. Also, as a reminder to all viewers, this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. So in today's video, we're going to be recapping one of the most popular credit cards out there. The X1 credit card has been out for a couple years now, and I think sometime maybe in 2021. This was actually one of the most popular and one of the most anticipated credit cards. And believe it or not, I actually do not have this credit card. So in today's video, I'm actually going to walk you guys through the application process, and I'm going to be applying for this credit card. Now, this is the smartest credit card ever made. So they claim 17 grams of stainless steel, and you can see if you're approved with no impact to your credit score. So that's one of the great perks of the X1 credit card, is that you can check to see if you qualify with no impact to your credit score, unless, of course, you do accept the offer that you receive. So this credit card does have the ability to create virtual cards. Let's say you have a gym membership, you want to just put that on a particular virtual card and you could cancel at any time. They also have what's called the free trial cards. These are auto canceled in 24 hours. And then they just have, single use credit cards where, you may use it just one time. And these are virtual cards. Now, in terms of how they qualify you, so they're going to be doing a soft pull of your credit, but they're also going to be looking at your income. So your personal income, right? You can only link personal bank accounts. So I'm going to explain, why that's very important as well. They do have an integration with Plaid, as I've mentioned in plenty of videos. So with Plaid, they're, getting read access to your banking data, your banking activity, and they use that as part of the underwriting process. Now, in terms of the rewards, you get 2x points on every purchase, regardless of category. And you also get 3x points every time you spend $1,000 in a month. And you can even get 4x, 5x, or even 10x points for every invited friend who gets a card. So this is a way, let's say if you refer people using your customer referral link, you can increase the rewards multiple. So up to 10x. So that right there in itself is a game changer. Now, here's just some examples of the different places, the brands where you can actually redeem your points. So that includes Apple, Adidas, Amazon. Now, another cool feature of the X1 card is that it's designed with the entire family in mind. So you can add card holders with no age restrictions so everyone can build credit. Pretty much you can add up to 5 authorized users to your credit account, and that will help people, let's say your family members or household members, build their credit. So that right there is a game changer. There's no annual fee, there's no foreign transaction fee, and there's no late fee. Some of the other perks include cell phone protection, trip interruption reimbursement, purchase security, auto rental collision damage waiver, extended warranty protection, zero liability protection. They also have Visa Signature Concierge Service, roadside dispatch, and travel and emergency assistance. Now these are some of the most underrated benefits when it comes to credit cards. And I can give you guys plenty of examples where these type of benefits actually come into place. For example, with the extended warranty protection, let's say you buy a high ticket item, it's just going to extend the warranty that you already have on the product. And you also have auto rental collision damage waiver. So for those of you who are renting vehicles, this is definitely important because you don't have to get the additional insurance when you're renting these cars. So that actually will save you money. Purchase security, cell phone protection, trip interruption reimbursement. All of these are great additional perks aside from just the rewards categories and things like that, that you can take advantage of when it comes to credit card benefits. All right, so here we go with the X1 credit card. So I'm just going to go down to the bottom and hit confirm and see what happens. So I may get denied but we'll just see what happens anyways. All right, so it says you're pre-qualified. So that's interesting. So it says, now let's verify your income to determine your limit. Please connect a personal account where you receive your income or paychecks. Business accounts cannot be connected. All right. All right, your account has been successfully linked. Okay, it says waiting for your bank. All right, so it says, congrats, your limit 20,000. Your limit will increase over time. That's basically what I was able to get. Now, I'm not sure what happens after this. All right, so it says your X1 card, no annual fee, no late fee, no foreign transaction fee. So it says by continuing, you agree to the cardholder agreement, credit score notice. A credit pool may affect your credit score and APR details. So offer terms and conditions. 23% APR, APR for balance transfers, APR for cash advance, 28%. Annual fee, there's no annual fee. In terms of the APR, I mean, that's pretty high. This isn't a card that you probably want to be revolving the balance on. All right, so I went through the process of applying for the X1 Visa Signature credit card and was able to get approved for a $20,000 limit. Now, you can get an offer without a hard inquiry, but once you move forward, at that point, it will be a hard inquiry. And to top it off, it's a metal credit card, 17 grams. So pretty heavy credit card. Now, overall, I think this is an amazing credit card. You can see how much you qualify for with no impact to your credit score. So I wound up not going forward with the $20,000 approval that they were able to give me because I already have a lot of personal credit cards that I don't use. And also I'm trying to remain under 524 so that I could eventually apply for some Chase credit cards. So maybe at some point later down the road, I might revisit it. I've really just been on the business credit side. And when it comes to personal credit cards, I already have a ton of different personal credit cards, as you guys know. So this wouldn't really get much use if I were to go forward with it. Now, back in the day, if I were to get approved for like a $20,000, $25,000, whatever, $10,000 credit card limit, I would take it without hesitation. Adding another $20,000 on the personal side, especially, really wouldn't benefit me that much. So for those reasons, I decided not to move forward with the X1 Visa Signature credit card. But overall, I do think it has some good benefits. The fact that you can add authorized users up to 5, and you also get a lot of the different benefits as we went over: purchase protection, extended warranty, collision damage waiver protection. So it has a lot of perks. And then in terms of the rewards, 2x rewards regardless of category. And you can also increase the rewards that you're earning when you refer more people. All right, in terms of some other important data points, so they will be doing a soft pull inquiry of Experian. Now, a couple things you want to keep in mind. So you want to make sure you're clear of any derogatory accounts. Now, from a lot of the data points and information that I've received, it seems like X1 is very sensitive to any derogatory information. It's really not going to be for like the subprime market. So in addition, when it comes to linking your banking activity, you want to make sure you're using a personal account. Believe it or not, I actually applied for this a while back, or tried to pre-qualify and was denied because I actually tried to use a business account instead of a personal account. So even if you, let's say you're self-employed, you want to make sure that you're, paying yourself so that, you have those transactions going into your personal account, because this is a personal credit card. And so they have it so that, they're able to determine whether or not the account is under your name or whether it's under a business name. And if you're trying to use a business account, then it's likely that you may not be able to get approved. So just keep that in mind. Anyways, if anyone's interested, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. That's all for today. Until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.